Let's have fun in English. Your channel. To make your English from zero to hero.
Hi there, how are you doing?
Halo, apa kabar?
In this session we are going to discuss some useful English expressions or phrases.
Dalam sesi ini, kita akan membahas beberapa ekspresi atau frasa penting bahasa Inggris.
These expressions or phrases are so common in English daily conversation.
Ungkapan atau frasa ini sangat umum dalam percakapan bahasa Inggris sehari-hari.
That you have to learn to expand your English skill.
Sehingga, Anda harus mempelajarinya untuk mengembangkan keterampilan bahasa Inggrismu.
Are you ready? Let's get started.
Apakah kamu siap? Mari kita mulai.
One. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do?
Apa yang Anda lakukan? Atau, apa pekerjaanmu?
Most adults ask each other this question when they meet. It means, what do you do for a living? Or, what is your job? Examples. Tom. What do you do, Kathleen? Kathleen. I work at the university as a financial specialist. Two. What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time?
Apa yang Anda suka lakukan di waktu luang?
Instead of asking for someone's job title, I prefer to ask what they enjoy doing. The responses, or answers, are usually much more interesting. Examples. Tom. So, Kathleen, what do you like to do in your free time? Kathleen. I love to read and to garden. I picked 2 buckets of tomatoes last week. Three. What is your phone number? What is your phone number? What is your phone number?
Berapa nomor teleponmu?
If you want to keep in contact with someone you just met, ask this question to find out their phone number. You can replace phone number with email address if you want to know their email address. You might also hear people use the more casual, "Can I get your phone number?" Examples. It would be great to meet up again sometime. What is your phone number? Four. Do you have Facebook? Do you have Facebook? Do you have Facebook?
Apakah kamu memiliki Facebook?
Many people keep in touch, or contact, through Facebook. Use this question to find out if someone has a Facebook account. You could also ask, "Are you on Facebook?" Examples. Let's keep in touch. Do you have Facebook? Five. I really appreciate. I really appreciate. I really appreciate.
Saya sangat menghargai.
You can also use this phrase to thank someone. For example, you might say, "I really appreciate your help." Or, you can combine this phrase with the last one. Example. Thanks so much for cooking dinner. I really appreciate it. Six. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Permisi.
When you need to get through, but there is someone blocking your way, say, "Excuse me." You can also say this phrase to politely get someone's attention. For example, "Excuse me, sir, you dropped your wallet." Excuse me, do you know what time it is? Seven. I am sorry. I am sorry. I am sorry.
Saya minta maaf.
Use this phrase to apologize, whether for something big or small. Use for to give more detail. For example, "I am sorry for being so late. I was not expecting anyone today. I am sorry for the mess." You can use really to show you are very sorry for something. Example. I am really sorry I did not invite you to the party. Eight. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think?
Bagaimana menurutmu?
When you want to hear someone's opinion on a topic, use this question. Example. I am not sure if we should paint the room yellow or blue. What do you think? 9. How does that sound? How does that sound? How does that sound?
Bagaimana kedengarannya?
If you suggest an idea or plan, use this phrase to find out what others think. Example. We could have dinner at 6, and then go to a movie. How does that sound? Let's hire a band to play music, and Brent can photograph the event. How does that sound? Ten. That sounds great. That sounds great. That sounds great.
Kedengarannya bagus.
If you like an idea, you can respond to, "How does that sound?" with this phrase. Great. It can also be replaced with any synonym or similar word, such as awesome, perfect, excellent, or fantastic. Example: Susan, my mom is baking cookies this afternoon. We could go to my house and eat some. How does that sound? That sounds fantastic. 11. Oh, never mind. Oh, never mind. Oh, never mind.
Oh, sudahlah.
Let's say someone does not understand an idea you are trying to explain. If you have explained it over and over, and want to stop, just say, "Oh, never mind." You can now talk about something else. You can also use "never mind" to mean, "it does not matter," or "just forget it." In these situations, say it with a smile and positive tone, though. When you say this phrase slowly with a falling, low tone, it can mean you are bothered or upset. Example: Tom, are you going to the grocery store today? Susan, no, I am not. But why? Do you need something? Tom, oh, never mind. It is okay, I will go tomorrow. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am learning English.
Saya sedang belajar bahasa Inggris.
This simple phrase tells people that English is not your native language. If you are a total beginner, you can add, "just started," like this. I just started learning English. Example: My name is Sophie, and I am learning English. Alright, that's all for this session.
Baiklah, itu saja untuk sesi ini.
We will continue learning some other useful English expressions or phrases in different session.
Kita akan lanjutkan mempelajari beberapa ekspresi atau ungkapan bahasa Inggris penting lainnya di sesi yang berbeda.
See you soon.
Sampai berjumpa lagi.